In this video, I'm going to show you two ways that you can check graphics card on Windows 10. So to check it the first way, you'll need to head over to the settings of this device. To do this, click on Start and then head over to Settings. From here, head over to System. Now if you scroll down a bit, you'll see an option for Advanced Display Settings. Again, click on Display Adapter Properties. After you click on it, a pop-up window will open. Now on the adapter, you can exactly see your graphics card. Mine has the Intel Iris graphics card. This is the default graphics card which comes with the laptop, but if you have additional graphics card, it will show below here. So that's the one way of checking your graphics card. The next way is you need to head over to Device Manager. In the search bar down below, search for Device Manager. After you open up Device Manager, you need to search for the display adapter. Click on this arrow and it will again show you the available graphics card on your laptop.